Hello guys, welcome to FinTech Space with Teambees, your gateway to mastering the intricacies of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Kindly subscribe to this channel and put on your notification bell for updates. Ensure that you like our videos after watching so that YouTube can recommend to others as well. Do enjoy your stay on this channel. Stay tuned. Very quickly, I want to take you through how you can run the UpRock Solana project. So this one. So just click on the link that you see there. I'm going to drop the link for you in the description. So right now, sign in and create your account. Put in your account and create. So a confirmation code will be sent to your email address. So just type in the code 4753361. 4753361. So click on continue. So now you're in already. So and you already have 5 UPT already using the link. So I'm going to also share my link for you. So these are the things you can actually do for you to actually acquire more points. So these are the things you can do to acquire more points. As you can see here, uh, invite 5 friends, invite friends and earn 5 UPT for every referrals that you have. And also, this is another task. Upload a profile picture. This is another task you have to do. So this is another task also. Install the UpRock any apps to unlock more ways to earn UPT. So those are. So you can click on the your icon as you can see here. So you are going to have this my settings. So you can also click on my settings to edit your details. Put in your photo and then your preferred name. So you can type in your preferred name. So in this case, teamb07. So that is what I intend to use. You have your own preferred name that you can also put in. So I've already added my photo. So just click on save, and then you save it. So you can go back to the dashboard. So just try and refresh. So right now, I have completed a profile setup already. So now what you need to do right now is you have to install this app, whether on Android or on Apple products. So I'm using Android. So just tap Android and it will take you to Play Store. Then you install the app. So you go through the process and install the app. So once you download and install, so just click on open. Click on open. So once you click on open, you have this. You're going to have this. So just click on sign in so that you can sign in from where you were coming from before. Click on sign in. So then enter the email address that you used. So another confirmation code will be sent to you. So let's wait for it. So I have it already. 8466760. 8466760. So confirm your sign in. So right now, you can see I have 5 wallets. I had 5 wallets while I was in the browser. Now that I've installed the app, I now have 10 tokens. So I have additional 5 UPT. So just click on currently it's earning for you already. So if you click on stop earning, it will stop. But currently it has started earning for you already. So you just leave it, just come back and also get to see whatsoever that you have there. And you can also share your referral link. So this is your wallet address or token address. So, and this is your referral link, which you can share with your friends and some other persons. So you can also decide to also follow them on some other social platforms. As you can see, they have the Twitter, the Discord, GitHub, Telegram. So let me just follow them on Twitter. So just click on it and then follow them on Twitter. So, and then let me also follow on Discord. So accept the invite. So you must complete some text. So visit the channel first. Click on that. So click on that. Proceed. So verify your email. So click on verify. So type in your email. So click on that. Change email and type in your password. So sorry, there's no need for you to click on verify email again. You already have your email address verified on your Discord. So just scroll down and click on I have read and agree to the rules. So and click on complete. So right now you are now able to enter into this their Discord channel. So you can go back to the app, click on Telegram and also join their Telegram channel. So click on join. So then go back to the app. So now you are done. So now you are done. So you can just check your display name. You can edit. So you can just explore and just edit as you would like. So just edit. Just explore the page and as you would like. Okay, so right now I think we are done.